I'll say it, Elaine.
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like a colorful rainbow tree? A rainbow tree? Or a white and silver tree?
I want a rainbow tree.
A rainbow tree.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna trim our tree. Anybody want to trim the tree?
That's Dad's job.
Nobody wants to trim the tree?
No.
I want to run.
Everyone's feeling lousy. This one
I
is
put the lights.
This one's sick. This one is sick.
And that's the
This one.
top.
And that one?
Bubba's.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
What?
How does
I'm gonna
that
put the
say
lights.
Jose?
I know.
Go put the lights.
It does.
Alright. Let's cue the Christmas music. Oh no, we can't because
Oh. You can
we'll
put
get
an
copywritten.
Instrumental.
Okay, instrumental
Just some like
Christmas music.
royalty free.
The Christmas tree is crooked,
No, it's not.
meaning that
Just a little. Okay, our tree is done. This is our first year getting a real tree. So there she is. We bought a new topper because we had an angel and we had this Santa who doesn't work anymore up there, but so we just leave him for decoration now. And then the kids wanted, well, two kids wanted colorful, one wanted these ones that I have here that match like my house decor. My house decor is like beachy themed. So we went with the colorful ones instead. And we have our special little ornaments here that we have. And a lot of like little ornaments the kids made. I love those. Those are my favorite. So cute. I have Layla's hand around here somewhere. And just like Disney World. And this is when we went to the Bahamas. And there's Jason as an elf. And then we have our Star Wars. We have Mario here. We have another Mario somewhere. A little reindeer there. And yeah, so this is our tree for 2019. It's so pretty. Our first time having a real tree. And doesn't it look beautiful, blurry? Gorgeous. Okay, there we go. Now it's not blurry. So that's what it looks like. And we did decorate the outside of our house, but we're not finished yet. So I don't want to show you guys just yet. But stay tuned for... No, we have 3 inflatables coming.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, so we need to add, and Daddy wants to add more lights. And this is just my regular decor. I have my little nativity set, my little trees, little Santa. Here I have our stockings that have our names on them. Little stocking stand. Here's our countdown. We have another countdown over there of Mickey here, right there. Mickey Mouse. We have our nativities that the kids have already gotten into. These are like a chocolate, what do you call these things? Advent calendars that the kids have already gotten into. I got them at Trader Joe's for like $1. So. And I still have so much more in here, but this is all like excess stuff. But yeah, that's what our living room looks like right now. We live in our house, so it's never really 100% clutter-free, as you can see. Yes, mom life, struggle bus all the time.